Tired of slow, overpriced PDF editors? Meet Kofax Power PDF, the powerful yet budget-friendly solution for professionals like you. Why pay more when Power PDF gives you all the tools you need at a fraction of the cost? Edit, convert, sign, and secure PDFs effortlessly. Top features of Kofax Power PDF. Perpetual license. Pay once, use forever, no sneaky subscriptions. Redaction tools. Permanently erase sensitive data. Hello, compliance? Password protection and encryption. Keep confidential files safe. Digital signatures. Sign contracts legally without printing. 3D viewer. Need to share 3D designs? Power PDF's 3D viewer lets clients interact with models. No CAD license required. Form field creation and form recognition. Build fillable forms in seconds and auto-detect form fields. No manual setup needed. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or corporate pro, Power PDF saves you time and money without sacrificing quality.